Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So be safe. Let's start our new topic today. The name of the topic is safety and first aid. Children, do you know the meaning of safety? Safety means the state of being safe. The state of being safe means like whenever you get any accident, whenever you are like if you are in school, if you are at home or you play in the ground, so if you get any accident, so how you can keep yourself sane. In this chapter basically we will read about some safety rules by which we can keep ourselves safe from any accident. Now next is first aid. What is the meaning of first aid? The first and immediate help, the very first and immediate help given to an injured person is called as first aid. And I hope that you know already from your previous class what is first aid box. In first aid box, we keep some things to cure any injured person. Now here is question arises, why do accidents occur? एक्सीडेंट्स क्यों होते हैं, किसकी वजह से होते हैं? सो एक्सीडेंट्स अकर ड्यू टू आर केयरलेसनेस. Carelessness means whenever we are careless for anything, so that time we can get any accident. So now let's read this chapter, safety and first aid. What we will learn in this chapter, we will learn the safety rules which we follow at home. We will learn the safety rules which we follow at school. We will learn the safety rules on the road, and we will learn about first aid. Now we should always take care of ourselves and others. We should be careful and alert to avoid injuries. Most of the injuries or accidents occur due to carelessness. To avoid injuries, we should follow some safety rules. Let us learn some safety rules which help to keep us safe at home, in school, and other places. Safety at home. Which kind of safety rules we should follow at home? Let's read about it. First is, do not play with fire or near gas stove. You may get burned. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, blades and scissors because they can hurt yourself. Do not touch electric wires, switches and plugs with wet hands because you may get an electric shock. Do not leave your toys and books on the floor. Someone may trip over them. Means कि आप कभी गिर सकते हो. If you are lying everything on the floor, so you may fall. Do not run in the house. You may slip or bump into the furniture. Be careful while walking on the wet bathroom floor. So these are the safety rules which we follow at home. Now next, the safety rules at school. Safety at school. Do not push each other on stairs. Someone might fall down. Do not climb on benches in the classroom. You may fall down and get hurt. Do not play with pointed objects. Pointed objects like pens, pencil, as you might get hurt. Do not push each other while playing or on swings. You might hurt yourself or your friends. Do not stand in front of the swings because other one can fall you. Always stand in queue and wait for your turn to get in or out of a bus. Now we will read about the safety on the road. Always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, then walk on the right side of the road so that you can see the traffic coming from the front. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. First look to your right, then left, and then again right. Now cross the road only when no traffic is coming. Cross the road through a subway or footbridge if available. Do not play or run on the road because if by running any vehicle is coming, so you can get any accident. Do not try to get in or out of a moving vehicle. Do not put any part of your body out of a moving bus. आपको moving bus से अपने body का कोई भी part बाहर नहीं निकालना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं निकालना चाहिए? Because you might hurt yourself. if you are putting your hand out, so by chance if any vehicle is coming, so you may get hurt. On the road, we must be very careful and alert to avoid accidents. So children, these were the safety rules which we have read, and today you have to read this chapter and you have to do some hard words by reading this chapter.